my dear children, I am going to teach you online classes from this morning. Today I am beginning with the third class Maths Magic book. First chapter. Let's recall. Dear children, look at the picture. She is Suma and she is her daughter. They went for shopping on Sunday to buy some dresses and vegetables. At first they entered into the garment shop and looked at the prices of the various dresses. How many frocks are there? Dear children, count the frocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 frocks. How many pants are there? Where are the pants? Here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. What are the other items you can see in the shop? There are suits and some nightwears, shirts. Yes. What is the price of a frock? What is the price of a frock? 230 rupees. Yes. Have you ever gone to market? What did you buy there? Have you ever gone to market? Yes. We will go to the market to buy vegetables, fruits, dresses and so on. Look at the conversation between Suma and her daughter Manu. Mom, this frock is so nice. I want it. Okay, Manu, I will buy this for you. What is the cost of the frock? 230 rupees. How many notes is mother giving? How many? Tell me children, how many notes is the mother giving? I think she is giving 200 rupees notes. Okay. Next. But Suma paid the amount for the frock as shown in below. 100 rupees and another 100 rupees. 110 rupee, another 10 rupees and the 10 rupees. 100 rupees plus 100 rupees. 200 rupees. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 30 rupees. Suma has 100 rupees and 10 rupees notes only. So, she gave to the shopkeeper 200 rupees notes and 3 10 rupees notes. Totally 230 rupees she gave to the shopkeeper. Next, what is the cost of your trousers? 510 rupees. If Suma buy a trouser, how many 100 rupees notes and how many 10 rupees notes she will give? Any guesses? Yes, you are absolutely correct. 500 rupees and 10 rupees. Yes. Next. Observe, children. What is the cost of the shirt? 450 rupees. If Suma has only hundreds and 10 rupees notes, how many 100 rupees notes will she give? And how many 10 rupees notes will she give? She will give 400 rupees notes and 5 10 rupees notes. Yes, children. Come to the next exercise. Write the following numbers in words. First, read this number. What is this number? 4. F-O-U-R. 4. This is 9. N-I-N-E. 9. This one 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 28. T-W-E-N-T-Y-E-I-G-H-T. 28. 46. F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 46. 76. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y-S-I-X. 76. This is 147. O-N-E-H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100 and 40. F-O-R-T-Y 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. 147. This is 263. Yes. T-W-O-2 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 and 63. S-I-X-T-Y-T-H-R-E-E 63. This is, children. Can anybody tell me the spelling of this number? Can anybody read this number? Yes, you are right. 471. What is the spelling for 471? F-O-U-R-H-U-N-D-R-E-D-A-N-D-S-E-V-E-N-T-Y-O-N-E. 471. This is 683. S-I-X-H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100 A-N-D-E-I-G-H-T-Y 80 T-H-R-E-E 683. This is 750. S-E-V-E-N 7 H-U-N-D-R-E-D 700 and 50 F-I-F-T-Y 50. This is 806. E-I-G-H-T H-U-N-D-R-E-D A-N-D-S-I-X 806. This is 975. Write the numbers of the following. Read the spelling. E-I-G-H-T. What is E-I-G-H-T? 8. F-I-F-T-E-N 15. N-I-N-E-T-E-N 19. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y 70. E-I-G-H-T-Y 80. S-I-X 86. 365. How should we write 365? 3, 6, 5. 579. 5, 7, 9. Bye. Tomorrow we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Please subscribe my channel.